We're back right here on Island Life Live, and we are turning our attention to foster youth across Hawaii. And having a strong support system can make all the difference. And that's why organizations like the Hoaloha Project are so important.
You know, they're working to support foster youth, build stronger community connections, and help create brighter futures for Keiki across Hawaii. Joining us right now is Tanya Paia. I said that correctly.
Yes.
Okay.
How's it, Tanya?
Good. How are you guys?
Very good, sister. She is our project specialist from Hoaloha Project. And sister, first of all, mahalo nui for doing this work. This is not an easy work to do. Yeah. Can you tell us a little bit about just Hoaloha Project? Just a real quick overview of what you folks do.
So Hoaloha Project is a nonprofit organization that was founded by individuals who are actually in the foster care system. So this program,
so they know what it's like.
Yes, they do know what it's like. And so through this organization, we have like various programs. We also utilize our resources as well as advocacy efforts just to help the Keiki out there who are in the foster care system. We also love working with community partners as well as caregivers to like help support our youth, because at the end of the day, it does take a village. It takes a community to help them. And ultimately, we just want to make sure that the Hawaii foster youth are just cared for, supported, and that they feel seen.
Absolutely. You know, we always tout that we are, you know, Hawaii is all about aloha and ohana. If anything, if anybody needs aloha and ohana, it's our foster Keiki.
Of course, yes.
Now, can you tell us a little bit about that Keiki Comfort program?
Yes. So oftentimes foster youth go into the foster care system with nothing of their own belongings, or they either have their belongings in trash bags. So this Comfort Keiki Kit program is actually very important, because they are able to have things that belong to them, that they can actually say that is theirs and that they have. So we have things in this kit that we're here today. Actually, we have some plushies. These are used to like comfort the Keiki, and they can use to hug on as well. We also have Clever Fox journals. These involve therapeutic activities, so it helps them to like process their emotions and to better express themselves. These also all come in backpacks as well, and we also have art supplies in them too. Ultimately, this program is just a space in which we can make them feel safe and cared for, but also to highlight the fact that these things belong to them and that this is theirs, solely theirs.
Wow, I like that the journal. What is it? Keiki the Fox?
Clever Fox. Clever Fox journal, yes.
Just so they can express themselves. Like when we was growing up, it's like, hey, be quiet, go sit down, play with your toys. But we gotta get our feelings out.
Exactly.
So that is so great. And I know that the foster experience can be isolating.
Yes, very
so
much.
Tell us about you guys' Canvas program and how that kind of makes everybody feel included.
Yeah, so like you say, oftentimes being in the foster care system is very isolating, and oftentimes Keiki can feel very, very lonely during this. Through our Canvas program, we actually have facilitators out there who help run this program to help create a safe space for Keiki. Through this program, we actually offer it for free. So for youth as well as caregivers, they can do this program for free. We also offer it virtually. So this way we can reach all the youth across from all of our islands, especially those in rural communities. So they're able to join just from the comfort of their own homes. Wow. Like I said, we also have facilitators there to guide them, as well as we provide the art supplies. So ultimately, this is just a way for them to like better express themselves, build their confidence, but also just to be able to just showcase their art, as well as just enjoy time, but also to get connections with other foster youth across the islands as well.
Wow.
That's amazing. I know this stuff is beautiful. It gives them an opportunity to have something that belongs to them, but we know it's not cheap. You know, this costs money, right? So how can we, our viewers, Island Life Live, how can we support Hoaloha Project's mission?
We love the community support. We're always grateful for that. Some ways you can help support us is by donating items. Some items can be found at our Amazon wish list. These items, when purchased, go directly to our Comfort Kit programs and therefore go directly to the foster youth. So that's one way you could support us. We also are actually currently hosting or planning to host a donation drive. This is in partnership with Oahu Motherhood Collective. This way we can spread our outreach further out into our islands. We're also planning a fundraiser. This is a silent auction fundraiser later on in the years. And this way we are able to collect, items, donated items from various community members, whether it be organizations or businesses as well. So things like that, you can also contribute to that as well. We also do love our volunteers. Without our volunteers, none of this would be possible. So through our programs, our resources, just those efforts, they always come in clutch for that. And yeah, pretty much that's it. And if anyone is interested, whether it be donating, volunteering, or if you just want to know more about Hoaloha Project and what we do there, you guys are always welcome to visit our website, hoalohaproject.org. And through our programs, we also want to say that we are grateful to the Kais Foundation as well as the Atherton Family Foundation for helping keep our programs possible, like the Keiki Comfort program as well as the Keiki Canvas program.
Wow, what an excellent spokesperson you are for this project. Behind the scenes, she just started at the beginning of August, so I mean, you really bought into this program, and that's how we know you guys are doing amazing things.
Mahalo.
Thank you so much, sister. Tanya Paia, make sure you reach out, hoalohaproject.org.